Do you have makeup on? And you'd be like, no, I don't. But you actually do have makeup on. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaraarti. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I know you must be tired of hearing this, but you're stuck with me, so you're not going anywhere. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to scam people. But before we jump right into the video, please do subscribe and turn on the bell beside it to get your notification turned on our next upload. So now, let's walk into the video. First, we start off with the Witch Hazel Rose Petal Toner. This is the alcohol-free one. This helps to tighten my pores, and you know, to achieve a flawless no makeup look, you have to get your skin well prepped. Then I use the Embryolisse Hydra-Mat to hydrate and soften my skin. This leaves my complexion looking smooth and radiant. So yeah, I just try to rub it in and get to my mouth. Just slide it into my skin, underneath my eyes, take it smoothly, as you can see. Then using the R&R Luxury Boba Oil, this is also a moisturizer and it quickly absorbs into the skin without making the skin feel greasy, and it also gives me that baby feel. And this R&R Boba Oil can also be used for the hair if you have a dry and dull scalp. This is the Pout primer, and I'll be applying this all around my T-zone to avoid, these are the parts where I get oily easily, so to avoid that I'll be applying this Pout primer all over my T-zone. Now let's get into the application using the Hegai Esther Photo Perfect Foundation in the shade Bronze, and I'll be applying it with my hands because with the warmth of your hands it melts everything into your skin, which gives you the most natural skin-like finish. But then you have to make sure your hands are super clean and neat. Like, it has to be very neat, no dirty hands here. So if you want that natural skin like finish, you better make sure your hands are clean. Now, as we're saying, can you see that skin? Let's get into it. Using the IFPRO lip palette as my blush, I'm taking a little bit of this coral orange and the dark sky pink. I don't have any cream blush right now, and to achieve a natural skin-like finish, I will advise you use cream products all through your application. That way you can easily scam people into thinking you have no makeup on. And yeah, I'll be patting it with my fingers. I remember, like I said, for this application you have to go in with your hands, like we have to get dirty. And I like to also pat it on my forehead to just bring in the same color and warmth into my skin. Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut and the In My Skin NUBAN Beauty Concealer in the shade 047 to highlight and contour my face. And I'll be contouring my face with the NUBAN In My Skin Concealer, and you know, contouring my cheekbones, forehead, under my jawline and the bridge of my nose. Then I'll be highlighting underneath my eyes to just waking them up a little bit, to brighten it up a little bit, and blending out the contour with my brush, with my Reed Technique brush. And also using the Morphe brush to blend out the concealer underneath my eyes. And before you guys come for me, I know I said you have to apply all this with your hands, and as you can see, I'm going right back into it with my hands to dab them right into my skin. So yeah, make sure you use your hand to get it into your skin, to get it really glide and smoothing into your skin. I'm using my David's eye pencil. You know, this is the eye pencil we all started with. My Nigerian makeup or beauty influencers know that. So I just try to outline or I line out my brows a little bit, not too much, to still maintain that natural looking brows. And I'm using the got2b glue to secure my brows in place, and first I warm it up on my palms and use my spoolie to brush it right through my brows. For that glow, I'll be using the Noir Black Beauty Illuminator in the shade Glow, and I'll also be applying this with my fingers. I'll be applying it on my cheekbone, my forehead, and the tip of my nose. And as you can see, I'm using my fingers, and you see the way it glides smoothly into my skin. Damn, look at that glow, look at that cheekbone. Going in with my Revlon all-in-one mascara to apply on my lashes before I put in the first lashes. And I'll be using these lashes I got from AliExpress. It's a nameless brand, and I'll be applying it. You can choose to skip this part if you don't want to apply false lashes. Then going in with my NYX Intense Butter Gloss to go right on my lips first, and I'll be patting that into my lips and topping it off with the Rimmel Stay Glossy Lip Gloss. And just to set my face, you know, we have to keep all those creams locked in. I'll be using the Hegai Esther Photo Finish Powder in the shade HW35, and I'll be applying just a teeny bit, focusing more on the parts where I highlighted on my face, and then using the Yanga Beauty Set to Go setting spray to finish up the look. Voila, this is the final look. If you catch me outside and ask me, do you have makeup on? And you'd be like, you don't know what's going on. Eventually, you will. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I want to know your thoughts, what you think about this look, and if there are any other looks you would love to see me recreate, please leave the comments down below. See you in my next upload.